In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable timeline in DaVinci Resolve. If you're working in DaVinci Resolve and your timeline isn't behaving the way you expect, this is a very quick setting to check. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and how to turn it on so you can continue editing without confusion. To begin, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and look for the media pool. This is the area where your clips, bins, and timelines are usually stored. If you already have a timeline created, you'll want to locate it there first. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct timeline, especially if your project contains more than one version. Once you've found the timeline inside the media pool, click on it so it's highlighted. This confirms that you're working with the right item. After that, right-click directly on the timeline. A context menu will appear with several options related to that timeline. From that menu, choose the option labeled Enable Timeline. Clicking this will turn the timeline on if it was previously disabled. This is useful when a timeline is not active or not available in the way you need during your workflow. As soon as you select that option, the timeline should be enabled and ready to use again. If you don't immediately notice a change, just double-check that you right-clicked on the timeline itself and not on a clip or an empty area in the media pool. That small detail can make a difference since the menu options depend on exactly what you select. It also helps to make sure the timeline already exists in the media pool before trying to enable it. This is a simple process, but it can save time when you're managing multiple timelines or troubleshooting project organization inside DaVinci Resolve. Knowing where this setting lives makes it much easier to stay in control of your edit and avoid unnecessary delays. So, to recap in a natural workflow, go to the media pool, find your timeline, right-click it, and choose Enable Timeline. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly enable your timeline in DaVinci Resolve so you can get back to editing smoothly.